हामी पढ्छौं हामी लेख्छौं हामी अघि बढ्छौं ठुलो भई भोलि हामी देशलाई सिंगार्छौं हामी पढ्छौं हामी लेख्छौं हामी अघि बढ्छौं ठुलो भई भोलि हामी देशलाई सिंगार्छौं हामी पढ्छौं हामी लेख्छौं हामी अघि बढ्छौं ठुलो भई भोलि हामी देशलाई सिंगार्छौं
Good morning and namaste to all my dear students and all the people who are listening the radio Sandesh 89.8 megahertz now. Nowadays we cannot run the classes through school because of coronavirus. So my dear students, today I am here to teach you by the help of this media. Well, we know that this program named the Sunol Parsala has been organized by Sunol Municipality Education branch and it is powered by Radio Sandesh 89.8 megahertz. So, first of all, I would like to thank both of them, the Sunol Municipality Education branch and the Radio Sandesh 89.8 to run a such fruitful program to the students who have deprived getting formed education from the school due to coronavirus. I would like to thank and really grateful to the Sunol Municipality and Radio Sandesh for providing me such a golden opportunity. My dear students, today I am here to teach you social study of grade 2. I am Upama Thapa, the teacher of Jagannath Secondary School, Bhumai. Now, my dear students, in previous class, we read about family. What is family? Family members. types of family, an ideal family, quality of an ideal family, difference between an ideal family and the bad family. In previous class, we read an ideal family also. Then we do its exercise 1, 2 and 3. I hope that you all done your work. Okay, students, take out your book, copy and pencil and turn page number 5. All of you look at your book and turn page number 5. There is one exercise left, that is question number 4. All of you look at your book and turn page number 5, that question number 4. Okay, I read the question. All of you look at your book and point out with your fingers. Complete the following dialogue about your family using the words given in the box. Here is a dialogue between the two friends, that are A and B. Look, here is that option also. Look at your book very carefully, okay students? And okay, again I read the question. Complete the following dialogue about your family using the words given in the box. There is a box. Okay, all of you look at the book. There is a box. There are 8 options. त्यहाँ चाहिँ के छ त एउटा बक्स छ हेर है सबैले र बक्समा 8 वटा चाहिँ के छ त त्यहाँ अप्सन रहेको छ र ए र बी भन्ने चाहिँ त्यहाँ एउटा फ्रेन्डहरु छ नेम छैन फ्रेन्डको नेममा चाहिँ ए र बी छ र उनीहरुले चाहिँ के गरिरहेछ त त्यहाँ डायलग बोलिरहेको छ हेर है सबैले म भन्दै जान्छु र तिमीले त्यो फिल इन द ब्ल्याङ्क्समा चाहिँ मैले भनेको कुराहरु चाहिँ लेख है त ए हाई फ्रेन्ड्स हेलो dash you. Hi friends, how are you? That in fill in the blanks you write R. A-R-E-R. Okay, all of you write there A-R-E-R. Okay, now B. You should write in neat and clean handwriting first of all in your book. Then you write only in your copy. Okay students? Okay. B. I am fine. What's about dash? I am fine. What's about you? Y-O-U. Okay, all of us write there Y-O-U. Okay. A number. Dash to you. Why are you dash here? There are 2 fill in the blanks. Look at your book carefully. Dash same. S-A-M-E same to you. S-A-M-E same to you. Why are you dash there? Coming. C-O-M-I-N-G coming. C-O-M-I-N-G coming. And B number. I have come to dash something about my family. I have come to tell. You should write there tell. T-E-L-L tell something about my family. And A. What's it about? B number. B. My family is good. Dash. My family is good family. F-A-M-I-L-Y family. My family is good family. They never quarrel and dash each other. They never quarrel and fight. F-I-G-S-T fight each other. My parents love me. A. That's an ideal family. There is respect and regard in an ideal family. My family is also an dash family. Ideal. My family is also an ideal family. IDEAL, idol. All of you write IDEAL, idol, family. B. Yes, of course. Thank you. Okay, now students, my dear students, turn page number 6. There is lesson 2. All of you turn page number 6. Lesson 2, Rohan's daily work. All of you look at your book. There is a topic, Rohan's daily work. Look at your book, all of you, carefully. Page number 6, lesson 2, Rohan's daily work. Okay, in this lesson, we read about daily work. In this lesson, we read about our daily work. All people have their own daily work. I have also my daily work. You have also your daily work. Yes or no, students? Okay. And daily work means जीवनचर्या. नेपालीमा चाहिँ यसलाई के भन्छ त? जीवनचर्या. जुन चाहिँ बिहान उठेबाट बेलुकी नसुत्दासम्म गरिने काम हो. डेली वर्क भनेको चाहिँ सधैँभरि गरिने काम. सधैँभरि बिहान उठेदेखि के गर्छौ तिमीले? बिहान उठ्ने बित्तिकै कति बजी उठ्छौ? त्यसपछि के गर्छौ? त्यसपछि के गर्छौ? बेलुका नसुत्दासम्म गरिने कामलाई नै हामीले के भनिन्छ त? डेली वर्क भनिन्छ. Okay students, there in this lesson there is about Rohan Thapa. यो लेसनमा चाहिँ के छ भनेपछि रोहन थापाको बारेमा छ. ऊ बिहान कतिखेर उठ्छ, उले के गर्नुहुन्छ हैन, सबै उसकै बारेमा छ. ल okay, all of you point out your fingers in that lesson. I will read. Okay students? Okay. Rohan Thapa studies in class 2. He is 7 years old. He is a good student in his class. His teachers love him. Here is his daily work. Okay, it's about Rohan Thapa. He is also studying in same class in 2. You are also studying in class 2. Yes or no? Yes. He is 7 years old. He is a good student like you. Yes, students? His teachers love him. Okay, we also love you very much. Yes or no, students? Yes. And here is his daily work. Okay, I read his daily work. All of you carefully look at your book and point out your fingers. Okay, students? He gets up at 6 o'clock. In the morning, he goes to restroom and become fresh. Okay. First of all, he wake up at 6 o'clock. वो कति बजी उठ्नु हुँदो रहेछ त? उहाँ 6 बजी उठ्नु हुँदो रहेछ. त्यसपछि उहाँ restroom means that bathroom है. restroom भनेको bathroom. become fresh, हात मुख धुन, ब्रश गर्न हैन. बिहान उठ्ने बित्तिकै हजुरहरु के गर्नुहुन्छ त? उठ्ने बित्तिकै हजुरहरु restroom गएर ब्रश गर्नुहुन्छ, मुख धुनुहुन्छ, हात खुट्टा धुनुहुन्छ. ओके ना? हो त्यही त नि. He washes his hands with soap after returning from rest room. Then he brushes his teeth and washes the face. After that, he goes to kitchen and take his breakfast. Then he study his lesson. ल रेस्टरुममा गएपछि हामीले के गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ त? ल हेर, हात खुट्टा धुने हैन, ब्रश गर्ने, मुख धुने, अनि त्यसपछि हामी त्यहाँबाट काम सकिसकेपछि हामीहरु कहाँ जाने त? किचनमा गएर नास्ता खाने. ब्रेकफास्ट भनेको नास्ता. And then he study his lesson. र उ आफ्नो चाहिँ पढाइमा पढ्न बस्नु हुँदो रहेछ हैन. At 8 o'clock, he arranges his book and copies according to his स्कुल रुटिन र अब उनले चाहिँ आफ्नो ठ्याक्क 8 o'clock he arrange his books उले चाहिँ अब आफ्नो बुकहरु मिलाउने हैन मिलाउनु पर्यो नि आज कतिवटा सब्जेक्ट छ कतिवटा बुकहरु चाहिन्छ कतिवटा कपी चाहिन्छ पेन्सिल इरेजर कटर ज्योमेट्री बक्स चाहिन्छ सबै चाहिँ उले चाहिँ अरेन्ज गरेर राख्दो रहेछ and copies according to his school routine he takes his meal at 8:30 र उले चाहिँ आफ्नो खाना ठ्याक्कै 8:30 बजे खाँदो रहेछ he wears his school uniform and goes to school with his friends he went his school with his friends now he greets his teachers and students at school. Greets means saying good morning. Yes. First of all, you come in school and you say your teacher good morning, sir or ma'am. Good morning, friends. Okay, that's a greet. He study and does his classwork nicely. He is very work hard student. He study very well and he work nicely, neat and clean. His classwork is very good. He plays his friends in tiffin time. He plays with his friends in tiffin time. Tiffin time भनेको के हो त हामीले स्कुलमा के गर्छौं टिफिन टाइममा ल भन्नुस् त हामीले खाजा खाने र साथीहरुसँग खेल्ने काम गर्छौं हो कि हैन हो हैन He never fight with his friends at school. His class is over at 4 o'clock. He check his bag before leaving the school. He never fight with his friends at school. उले आफ्नो साथीसँग कहिले पनि झगडा गर्दैन हजुरले गर्नुहुन्छ झगडा That's a bad habit, is no student? Yes. His class is over at 4 o'clock. Our school also over 4 o'clock. Yeah. He check his bag before leaving the school. उले चाहिँ के गर्नु हुँदो रहेछ त उहाँले स्कुल सकिसकेपछि नि फेरि आफ्नो ब्याग चेक गर्ने टिफिन बक्स छ कि छैन बुक कपीहरु सबै छ कि छैन अनि आफ्नो बोतल छ कि छैन भनेर चाहिँ चेक गर्नु हुँदो रहेछ After returning from school he takes off his uniform. First of all, when you went from the school you should take out your uniform. Yes? Yes. And keep it in proper place. In hanger. Yes or no, students? Yes. Then he washed his hand and legs. हैन स्कुलबाट हामी खेल्छौं साथीभाइहरुसँग खेलिन्छ हाम्रो ह्यान्डहरु फोड हुन्छ र हामीले घर गएपछि के गर्नुपर्छ आफ्नो हात र खुट्टा चाहिँ मजाले साबुन पानीले धुनु पर्छ हो हो हजुरले गर्नुहुन्छ कि नै त्यस्तो गर्नुहुन्छ yes that's a good habit yes or no yes then he begins to do his homework after completing his homework he plays with his friends for some time yes when you returning from the school you should do your homework in time and you play with your friends. He goes to bed at 9 o'clock at night. वहाँ चाहिँ ठ्याक्कै 9 बजे सुत्न जानु हुँदो रहेछ हजुरहरु पनि जानुहुन्छ 9 बजे सुत्न He also helps his parents at home. He helps his mother in kitchen. He cuts and washes vegetables. He arranges the utensils in proper place. Sometimes he goes to market with his father and helps him carry goods from the market. Okay, you also help your parents at home or not, students? Okay, you help. Okay, you help in mother in kitchen. Okay, good. That's a very good habit. Okay. Okay, he also help his mother in kitchen by cutting तरकारी काट्न तरकारी पखाल्नलाई चाहिँ उहाँले चाहिँ आफ्नो मदरलाई चाहिँ किचनमा हेल्प गर्नु हुँदो रहेछ र अन्टिसेल्स भनेको भाँडा कुराहरु चाहिँ कहाँ राख्नु पर्ने हो उहाँले त्यही राख्नु हुँदो रहेछ र उहाँ चाहिँ आफ्नो फादरसँग मार्केट गएर क्यारी गुड्स भनेको सामानहरू है गुड्स भनेको सामानहरू उहाँ चाहिँ आफ्नो सामानहरू बोक्न आफ्नो फादरलाई चाहिँ हेल्प गर्नु हुँदो रहेछ That's a very good habit. Yes or no, students? Yes. In this way, he performed his daily work. He is really a good boy. His teachers and neighbors give his examples to others. He is a very good boy. He do very good work. उहाँले चाहिँ के गर्नु हुँदो रहेछ आफ्नो होमवर्कहरू ठ्याक्क टाइममा गर्ने आएपछि कसरी सफासुग्घर गर्ने के गर्ने आफ्नो रुमहरू मिलाउने हैन अनि त्यसपछि आफ्नो मदरलाई हेल्प गर्ने आफ्नो फादरलाई हेल्प गर्ने चाहिँ उहाँले गरेर चाहिँ उहाँ चाहिँ आफ्नो ठाउँमा चाहिँ एकदमै एक्जाम्पल हुनु हुँदो रहेछ Now students, this is about Rohan's daily routine. You have also your daily routine. सबैको आफ्नो daily routineहरु हुन्छ कि हुँदैन हुन्छ हैन अहिलेको यो लकडाउनमा हैन हामीहरुले स्कुल आउन अहिले परिरहेको छैन यो कोरोना भाइरसले गर्दाखेरि यसो बेलामा चाहिँ हजुरहरुले पनि आफ्नो मम्मी बाबालाई हेल्प गर्ने राम्रो कामहरु गर्ने मम्मीलाई किचनमा काम गर्ने बाबासँग गएर सामानहरु बोक्नमा हेल्प गर्ने गरेर गर्नुस् है त ल all of you turn page number 8 there is the exercise of Rohan's daily routine daily work okay there is a exercise okay all of you turn page number 8 students hurry up turn page number 8 that's a 1 fill in the blanks okay all of you take out your pencil now take out your pencil and you write first of all in your book in neat and clean handwriting then only you write in your copy okay students okay 1 fill in the blanks in first question there is a fill in the blanks a number Rohan Thapa is a dash students in his class I again repeat it a number Rohan Thapa is a dash students in his class Rohan Thapa is a good student in his class good you should write there good G-O-O-D good G-O-O-D good okay you write okay write fast students G-O-O-D good B number Rohan gets up at dash o'clock in the morning Rohan gets up at dash o'clock in the morning Rohan gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning you should write there 6 okay you write XI as 6 or you write in number also C number he dash his teacher and students at school he grades you write there grades G-R-E-E-T-S grades G-R-E-E-T-S grades his teachers and students at school D number he checks his desk before leaving school he checks his bag you should write there bag B-A-G bag B-A-G bag before leaving school E number he helps his mother in E number he helps his mother in desk he helps his mother in kitchen K-I-T-C-H-E-N kitchen K-I-T-C-H-E-N kitchen okay students you write okay again I repeat what you write that in fill in the blanks first of all you write a number good G-O-O-D, good. Then in B number, you write 6. In C number, you write goods. In D number, you write bag. In E number, you write kitchen. Okay? Okay, good students. Okay, now 2 number. There is the match the following time and activities of Rohan's daily work. There is a match the following. There is one side is time and another side is activities of Rohan's daily work. We read already in that lesson. उहाँले कति बजे के गर्नुहुन्थ्यो, कति बजे खानुहुन्थ्यो, कति बजे उहाँ बेडमा जानुहुन्थ्यो, कति बजे स्कुलबाट फर्किनुहुन्थ्यो भनेर हामीले हामीले रिड गरिसकेका छौं इन दैट लेसन, हैन? ओके, ए नम्बर 6 o'clock. In 6 o'clock he gets up. Okay. In 6 o'clock he gets up. In B number 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock arrange his books and copy. At 8 o'clock he arrange his books and copy. C number 8:30 o'clock takes his mail. 8:30 o'clock takes his mail. 4 o'clock returns from school. 4 o'clock returns from school. 9 o'clock goes to bed. 9 o'clock goes to bed. Okay, I again repeat it. 6 o'clock gets up. 6 o'clock gets up. 8 o'clock arranges his books and copies. 8 o'clock arranges his books and copy. C number 8:30 o'clock takes his mails. Takes his mails. D number 4 o'clock returns from school. Returns from school. 9 o'clock goes to bed. 9 o'clock goes to bed. Now, in 3 number, answer the following question. There is a 3 number. We do 1. Fill in the blanks. 2. Match the following. And here is a 3 number. There is a answer the following question of Rohan's daily work. Okay, students? Okay, you are ready? Good. A number. How old is Rohan? Okay, all of you say, how old is Rohan? Can you say the answer? Yes? Okay. How old is Rohan? Rohan is 7 years old. How old is Rohan? Rohan is 7 years old. Rohan is 7 years old. All of you write in your book neat and clearly. Okay, students? Okay. How old is Rohan? Rohan is 7 years old. Okay, B number. What does Rohan do after returning from restroom? Restroom पछि उहाँले चाहिँ के गर्नुहुन्छ त? He wash his hand with soap after returning from the restroom. He wash his hand with soap after returning from restroom. C number. With whom does Rohan go to school? Rohan goes to school with his friends. Rohan goes to school with his friends. हजुरहरु पनि साथीहरुसँग स्कुल आउनुहुन्छ हो किन भन्नुस् त? हो नि है. Whom does Rohan go to school? Rohan go to school with his friends. D number. Turn page that there is in 9 there is a 2 question. When does Rohan do his homework? When does Rohan do his homework? When he returns from school, Rohan do his homework. When he returns from school, Rohan do his homework. A number. How does Rohan help his mother? How does Rohan help his mother? Rohan helps his mother by cutting and washing vegetables in kitchen. How does Rohan helps his mother? Rohan helps his mother by cutting and washing vegetables in kitchen. Okay, all of you write. Okay, I hope that you all students do this exercise. Okay students? Okay, then again म फेरि एकचोटी तिमीहरुलाई भनिदिन्छु है त, राम्रोसँग सुन्नुस् है तपाईले। 1. Fill in the blanks. A number. You check your answer. Rohan Thapa is a good student in his class. B number. Rohan gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. C number. He greets his teachers and students at school. D number. He checks his bag before leaving school. E number. He helps his mother in kitchen. Okay. 2 number. Match the following time and activities of Rohan's daily work. 6 o'clock gets up. 8 o'clock arranges his books and copies. 3:30 o'clock takes his meal. 4 o'clock returns from school. 9 o'clock goes to bed. And question number 3. Answer the following questions. A number. How old is Rohan? Rohan is 7 years old. B number. What goes Rohan do after returning from rest room? He washes his hand with soap after returning from rest room. With whom does Rohan go to school? Rohan goes to school with his friends. When does Rohan do his work? Homework. When he returns from school, Rohan do his homework. How does Rohan help his mother? Rohan helps his mother by cutting and washing vegetables in kitchen. Okay, now students, ल हजुरहरु सबैले यो मैले पढाएको गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने मलाई एकदम विश्वास छ र सबैजना एकदमै साबुन पानीले हात धोएर घरबाट बाहिर ननिस्केर मैले दिएको यो होमवर्कहरु मजाले घरमा बसेर एकदम नीट एन्ड क्लीन ह्यान्डराइटिङमा गर्नुहुन्छ भने म एकदम विवस्त भएर बसेको छु। विश्वास छ मलाई हजुरहरुले गर्नुहुन्छ भनेर। ल थ्यांक यू स्टुडेन्ट्स, बाइ बाइ।
साथी मेरे सुन तो जरा।
तपाई अहिले सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज।
हाँ, मैं सुन रही हूँ।
जब त्योहार संग्रह